To burn an image, you'll need a LaserCube, a burn lens which also acts as a blur lens, and the LaserOS app installed on an Android, Windows PC, or Mac OS computer. Safety first. Before using the burn or pop features of LaserOS and your LaserCube, you'll need to view the safety video linked in our description below. The burn and pop activation instructions are included in the description of the safety video. Set up your LaserCube and install the burn lens. For instructions on setting up, please refer to the user manual or the LaserCube setup and operation guide linked in the description below. The LaserCube should be 25 centimeters or approximately 9.8 inches from the object you wish to burn an image onto. You can burn any image that your LaserCube can project. This can come from animations, dancers, imported images, built-in images, games, or any of the other laser show projection apps. For example, say you want to burn an image of a ballerina. From LaserOS on a computer, click on the burn mode. Make sure the Ctrl-B option is toggled on. This allows you to type Ctrl-B to capture a still image of the current laser projection. Go to Dancers and select a ballerina. When she's in the position you wish to burn, type Ctrl-B. This freezes the animation and brings you back into the burn mode. The burn speed slider sets the amount of time the laser spends burning your material. Since materials burn at different temperatures, you may need to experiment to determine an optimal burn speed. Once your burn speed is selected, click Start. Your LaserCube will now burn the image. The steps are very similar on an Android device. However, since there are no Control or B keys on an Android, you must first go into the Burn app, tap on Burn Screenshot, select your animation or image, then tap on the burn icon at the moment you wish to capture. There are thousands of animations and images built into LaserOS, but if you wish to burn a custom image, you can do that as well. You can either draw your own image in the Draw app or load an appropriately formatted image using Import. There are many other options for burning images using LaserOS, but for now you have the basics you need to get started. Happy experimenting!